Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, looking like we are continuing to roll to the downside here, with Bitcoin having a little bit of a rollover today. I think it's dropped around $1,000 or so. And we can see Verasity here just continuing on its correction downtrend. I do think, as I said before, that this is still completely healthy, and I did say that this was coming after this huge parabolic move to the upside. There was quite a few people commenting on videos a few weeks ago of me saying, oh, I'm basically saying that price action is going to correct soon because it can't go up forever and it's pretty parabolic. People are in the comments going, oh, you don't understand what parabolic is, blah blah blah. You're completely wrong, it's going to go up forever. And as you can see, pretty much exactly when they started saying that, we hit that key resistance of 1 cent, big psychological resistance. You can see the big wick rejections here. We came back up, we grabbed the liquidity, and then we got that big engulfing bearish candle, and since then we've been pretty much all down. Every single day has been a red candle pretty much, retracing back into this previous area of structure here, and we have been continuing down today. You can see here currently making a new candle low so far, coming back into this area of structure, really just retracing, trying to find a bit of support. Now obviously Bitcoin has been rolling over. It's dropped about $1,000 or so today, which is obviously leading most of the altcoins to the downside. And really, Verasity looking like potentially it could be forming a little bit of a head and shoulders here, depending on, when we get a little bit of a bounce in this area, how far do we go? Do we get back above this level? Because obviously if we did get back up above this level, we could see ourselves heading back up to the upside. But right now, Bitcoin, if we just take a quick look at Bitcoin, just so you can see what I'm talking about, you can see Bitcoin here, it had this push, made a slightly higher high, and now coming back down, finding support on that 0.23 Fibonacci, but really just, getting stuck inside the range again that it was stuck in before. You can see support, resistance, support, and then we got that rollover over extension, but we came back inside the range, hit the resistance again, and looking like we are getting rejected here, coming back down into this kind of area of structure here. You can see there's kind of you could argue a little bit of a channel going on here right now like this. But with those bearish divergences as well and losing that momentum to the upside, you would expect maybe a bit more of a retracement and a rejection for Bitcoin, depending on, what the wider market does do. Obviously, we're talking about the stock market and the world, the general feel of the world markets. Obviously, they're not looking too good right now. And you can see Bitcoin getting rejected at that key level has led to, Verasity having a bit of a rejection and a retracement as well. High correlation in the markets right now for cryptocurrency, and you can see here Verasity really, it's just chilling right now in this previous area of structure here. I think this retracement is healthy and perfectly warranted in my opinion. And as I said before, the way that I'm trading this, I've been averaging into a long position for Verasity. I entered here and I entered here, and I've also got a much larger entry down at the 0.23 Fibonacci down here. I do think making a higher low and bouncing here and then getting another higher high would be really good to see, and very healthy for Verasity. But right now, still looking good. As I said before, we've cleanly broken out of that bear market resistance, which is cool to see. Loads of volume coming in as well. And really, anything above that bear market resistance is still bullish in my opinion. We could easily come back down to here, bounce here, and then grind our way to the upside again, and I would be perfectly happy. So really just waiting to see what happens next in the wider market. Obviously, if Bitcoin does roll over, Verasity is going to come down to some of these key levels. And if Bitcoin does come up to that key resistance again, it looks like breaking it, I think we'd easily see a bounce to the upside for Verasity in that instance as well, wouldn't we? So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord, and I'll be in there most days as well, and other investors just talking about crypto and where we're going with things. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.